Welcome everyone. Today, we dive into the Mercedes S-Class W221, a car that redefined luxury for its time. Supreme comfort, groundbreaking technology, and yet a price that seems almost unreal today. But is it a hidden gem or a risky choice? Join us as we uncover the truth behind this remarkable generation. The Mercedes-Benz W221 was introduced in 2005 as the new generation of the S-Class, replacing the W220. It was developed to restore Mercedes' dominance in the luxury sedan segment after some quality concerns with the previous model. The W221 was bigger, bolder, and more imposing, designed under Gordon Wagner with a focus on elegance mixed with strong, muscular lines. Its upright grille and wider stance gave the car a more authoritative presence, clearly distinguishing it from its predecessor. Production ran until 2013, when it was succeeded by the W222. The W221 was available in both short wheelbase and long wheelbase versions, with the majority of sales being the longer variant, especially in markets like the United States, China, and the Middle East. It was offered as a four-door sedan only, with seating for up to 5 passengers, although high-end versions often featured luxury rear seating configurations with individual reclining chairs. The interior featured premium materials such as fine leather, wood veneers, and aluminum accents, all meticulously crafted to meet Mercedes' flagship standards. When the W221 S-Class launched in 2005, it offered a wide range of engines catering to both efficiency and luxury performance. At the entry-level diesel range, the S320 CDI featured a 3.0-litre V6, OM642, producing 235 horsepower and 540 Nm of torque, paired with a 7G-tronic automatic transmission, perfect for smooth long-distance cruising. Above it, the S320 CDI came with a 4.0-litre V8 biturbo, OM628, delivering 320 horsepower and 730 Nm of torque, offering effortless acceleration and refined power, also mated to the 7G-tronic. Petrol buyers could choose the S350, powered by a 3.7-litre V6 M272, and the S450, a 4.7-litre naturally aspirated V8, which provided a step up in mid-range power and smoothness. The S500 in Europe, or S550 in the US, shared the 5.5-litre naturally aspirated V8 M273, while the S600 topped the range with a 5.5-litre biturbo V12 M275, coupled with a 5-speed automatic transmission to handle 830 Nm of torque. Performance enthusiasts could opt for AMG models, the S63 AMG, originally with a 6.2-litre naturally aspirated V8 M156, later upgraded to a 5.5-litre biturbo V8 M157 after the facelift, and the S65 AMG, a hand-built 6.0-litre biturbo V12 retaining the 5-speed automatic transmission due to 1,000 Nm of torque. The 2009 facelift brought several updates. On the diesel side, the S320 CDI was renamed S350 CDI, continuing with the 3.0-litre V6 but available in 2 power outputs, one standard 235 horsepower and a slightly higher output for more demanding drivers, while the S420 CDI was discontinued. A new S250 CDI, a 2.1-litre 4-cylinder, was introduced as the most efficient entry-level diesel. Petrol engines received the S400 hybrid, replacing the S350 petrol as the entry-level petrol model, combining a 3.5-litre V6 with an electric motor for around 295 horsepower. The S450, S500, S550, and S600 continued with minor revisions for improved efficiency and Euro 5 emissions compliance. Transmission technology evolved with the facelift. Most petrol and diesel models employed the 7G Tronic automatic, upgraded to 7G Tronic Plus for smoother, faster shifts. V12 engines retained the 5-speed automatic, still the most reliable for high-torque bi-turbo units. The S400 hybrid integrated its electric motor seamlessly with the 7G Tronic, ensuring smooth transitions between petrol and electric drive. The W221 S-Class represented a leap forward in automotive technology and luxury when it debuted, setting new benchmarks for comfort, safety, and driver assistance. Early on, Mercedes introduced blind spot assist in 2006, alerting drivers to vehicles in adjacent lanes, a feature that has now become standard across modern luxury cars. Another world first was the driver fatigue warning system, designed to detect signs of drowsiness and alert the driver, significantly enhancing long-distance safety. The pre-safe brake system was also introduced, capable of automatically applying the brakes in imminent collision scenarios. The active light system, or adaptive headlights, ensured optimal illumination around curves and over hills without dazzling oncoming traffic. By adjusting the headlight beams based on steering input and ambient lighting, the system greatly improved nighttime visibility and safety. The electronic column-mounted selector, inspired by the BMW E65 and ultimately derived from Rolls-Royce tradition, brought a sleek interface for gear selection, complete with an integrated display showing the selected drive mode. The electronic parking brake and the redesigned central armrest with command console, again inspired by the E65, enhanced both ergonomics and intuitive control. Interior refinement included ambient lighting that traced the wood trim, adjustable in both color and intensity, a world-first feature at the time, elevating the cabin's luxury feel. The instrument cluster display could be customized to show various types of information according to the driver's preference, including the night view assist camera feed for enhanced nighttime visibility. Rear passengers were treated to full entertainment systems, independent seat adjustments, and the ability to move the front passenger seat forward for more legroom. For added convenience, a rear refrigerator was available, though it reduced some trunk space. Mercedes also pioneered innovations in safety and convenience with the Facelift W221. The split-view display allowed the driver and passenger to see different content on the same screen. Door handles received touch-sensitive keyless go operation, replacing traditional buttons, while the start button could still accommodate a physical key if desired. The panoramic sunroof with two separate sections was a first in its class. In terms of ride and handling, the W221 featured active body control, ABC, suspension, a rare and sophisticated system designed to maintain a level ride even under dynamic driving conditions. Unlike the conventional airmatic air suspension, which offered two height levels, ABC provided three adjustable ride heights, allowing the car to better adapt to road surfaces, driving style, and load conditions. Its hydraulic system actively counteracted body roll, pitch, and dive, giving the W221 a composed, almost floating ride quality while maintaining sports car-like handling precision. Finally, the W221 offered 4MATIC all-wheel drive on non-AMG engine variants, improving traction and stability in adverse conditions while maintaining the comfort and luxury expected from an S-Class. The W221 S-Class is undeniably a technological marvel, but with all its sophistication, some engines and systems have their quirks. The V6 diesel engines, for instance, are particularly sensitive to urban stop-and-go traffic. Owners have reported cracked engine covers, destroyed turbochargers, and other failures when these engines were consistently pushed in heavy traffic. The S500 S550 V8 has a reputation for timing chain and related issues, especially in early models, which can lead to costly repairs if neglected. Meanwhile, the S63 AMG carried its own set of notorious quirks. Though less common, enthusiasts often mention minor turbo or engine electronics gremlins. On the other end of the spectrum, the V12 engines are generally the most reliable of the lineup, though overheating can be a concern if cooling systems are not properly maintained. The S400 sometimes exhibited starting issues at traffic lights, a problem some owners experienced firsthand. Even the V6 petrol engines weren't without their critics. While generally durable, they were considered less refined and occasionally prone to minor mechanical issues compared to their larger siblings. Of course, the ABC suspension system, airbags, and high-tech electronics remain critical points to monitor. While these innovations deliver unparalleled comfort and safety, their complexity can lead to expensive repairs if neglected. In essence, the W221 is a brilliant and rewarding car, but it demands careful attention, especially with certain engines and high-tech systems, to ensure it lives up to its reputation as Mercedes' flagship luxury sedan. The Mercedes-Benz W221 stands as a pinnacle of technological advancement and luxury for its era. From its wide array of engine options, including the pioneering hybrid S400, to the sophisticated active body control suspension and innovative safety features, the W221 delivered a driving experience that combined comfort, performance, and prestige. The facelift models introduced refinements in engines, transmissions, and electronics, making the car even more versatile and driver-focused. While ownership requires careful maintenance, particularly for certain diesel and high-performance variants, the W221 remains a compelling choice for enthusiasts and collectors who value a flagship Mercedes that pushed boundaries in both technology and luxury. With its timeless design, exclusive interior options, and advanced features that were often firsts in the automotive world, the W221 continues to hold a special place in the history of the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Mercedes-Benz S-Class W221, a car of superlatives and groundbreaking innovation. From cutting-edge engineering to remarkable features, it's been a ride worth experiencing together.